All right, right back at it. Let's see. That is, I believe, if I remember right, 9/16. 9/16 12 point. Whoops. Lost that one in. This one is the one that's damaged. Just going to kind of float there. Literally taking off any bolt I can get to. Ah, that one went in. All right. What I'll do is I'll start taking caps off, and as soon as I take the cap off, I'm going to take that piston out of the block, and that way I can pair them back up. Bolts don't matter, but caps do. So let me try to find my trusty mallet. There it goes. Separated it. Interesting to see what these bearings look like, and not because actually, bearings don't look bad at all. If it wasn't for that valve probably dropping and damaging the piston, still would be a running motor. All right, I think I'm gonna have to get a board or something, or a piece of wood. Pop that piston out the bottom. Let me see what I have that I want to use to drive those out. I got the handle and everything. I got it like a mallet, but I've busted up enough handles of mallets. I don't want to use that. Old trim board for my house. It's coming slowly. Actually, what I'm gonna do is rock it up. Kind of a crude way of doing it, but just be a little bit shorter. Just need a little more room. It's like the first piston ring's out, but it's just not coming out square. There it is. Just a little bit of scoring on the piston. And that is number 8. Piston number 8. and it has an R on each side. So I know that those ones, that one goes together, obviously. All right, I can't get number 6 out here because I gotta rotate the block. But I'm gonna pop number 7 out. Bearing looks good. Oh, it's unfortunate. All right, I'm gonna let this block rock back over.